Get this party started Saturday night.
Hi. In this video, I'm going to change the trailer brake control module in our 2015 Silverado pickup truck. It's been almost a year since we bought the travel trailer that we now live in full time. And on our very first trip with the trailer, we saw this warning come up on the dash. And it's not a warning to simply ignore. I verified that there are no trailer brakes when this warning is displayed. The problem was intermittent and could be cleared easily by simply turning the car off and then back on, which explains why I was rather lazy and put off changing the module for quite a bit of time. But eventually I had had enough. I didn't want to find us on a long downhill someday in the future with no trailer brakes, so I bought a new module. I found the best deal for this part on eBay. I live in Canada, and even with the cost of shipping it across the border, I only spent $39 to get a new part. I found the most difficult part of doing this job was removing the spare tire. The spare tire must be dropped because the module is located on the vehicle's underside and hidden by the spare tire. To get the tire out of the way, use the vehicle's ignition key to access this hole in the rear bumper. GM supplies the tools that you'll need to lower the spare. They're found in a small kit beneath the vehicle's rear seat. Click the two bars together and use the tire iron as a handle as shown here. Once you have that spare set aside, it's easy to see where the module is held into place. 2 screws and a wiring harness are all that you'll need to remove. The harness is locked on to the module with this sliding plastic retainer clip. My original part was a 23114-650, and at this time I couldn't find an exact replacement for it, but there were compatible parts available. After returning the spare tire to its place and putting my tools away, the job is done. Luckily, that was nice and easy, and I noticed the difference on our very next travel day. The trailer's brakes remained connected and operated properly, and I noticed that our trailer brake gain setting can now be only about 4 or 5. With the old module, I had it set at 9 all of the time. What a big difference. So, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the road. Check out some of our other videos and subscribe to our channel.
New content will be posted weekly.